We're making cake pops today out of leftover cake. Okay, we've had them in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now we're going to take our icing and dip it in there on our pops. You've got to watch the other video to know how to make it. Watch the videos all the way through. Put a like on it and a share. And if you ain't already subscribe. You got to put these back in the refrigerator after you put your icing on for 1 hour. Put them on parchment paper. There's probably an easier way to do it, but this is just the way I'm going to do it. You do you and I'll do me. How about that? This is marshmallow buttercream icing. Strawberry cake. I used leftover cake to make this recipe. And how you know your cake pops are ready to do like this is when your cake gets dry. A little bit dry. Now you can take these to a party. And that's how you make a good kids party, is have finger foods for them. But adults enjoy them too. But this would make a good cake ideal for a child's birthday party. Now the icing's made out of butter, powdered sugar, vanilla, and marshmallow fluff. And I let it sit out the whole time I had my cake pops in the refrigerator. You can get some cellophane and wrap them up like individuals if you want to. This is a messy thing, but it's well worth it. You don't waste nothing this way. And the price of food these days, nobody needs to waste nothing. I'll be back with you when I get them all rolled. Okay, there's an easy way to do this. You can wrap them in fondue or wrap them in chocolate first and then wrap icing around them. But I'm doing it this way, and I'm also going to put some sprinkles on it. Okay, we got red. Now you got to put these in the refrigerator for 1 hour before you eat them. green, and blue. Let these sit up in the refrigerator for 1 hour before you try to eat them. But if you got the money, you can buy fondue, wrap them around in it, and then put your cake icing on it. They would be real better. But I try to do it the cheap way, an easy way. Or you can melt some chocolate, dip them in chocolate first, and then put the cake icing on it after you let it sit in the refrigerator for 1 hour. But I figured this would be easy, just like this. You do it your way and I'll do it mine, but I try to cut corners. And the cheap way too. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. I hope you make this leftover cake. That way you don't waste nothing. Thank you for watching. Part 1 is already loaded. Make sure you watch it because it shows you what I'm doing first and how I made the icing. And now this was messy this way. But it's well worth it. Thanks for watching.